So hello everyone. I hope everybody can able to see my screen and am I audible, right? Okay guys, so today onwards, we are going to be discussing about hybrid mobile application development like React Native. See, there are multiple kind of mobile app development libraries which are available. Mobile app development, which is going to be available in multiple phases. One is the native development, and one more is cross-platform development. Cross-platform, yeah, development. See, coming to the part of the native development, how you can do with the native development, how you can develop, how you can go with the cross-platform development, we will see. The categories, two kind of categories of mobile app development we will be having. One is the native app development, and one is a cross-platform app development. Coming to the native development, what is the mantra for the native development? One more simple definition I want to tell you here. Simple thing is develop once, deploy to one. Develop one, or develop once and deploy to one, or develop one, deploy to one. That is a simple mantra. It means what? For example, if you want to develop an iOS application, I want to develop an iOS application, definitely you need to take a MacBook or Mac machine, Mac desktop, whatever it may be, and you need to work with the Xcode software. And there are some kind of programming languages like Objective-C. In olden days, people are actually using Objective-C, and nowadays people are using Swift and Swift UI. The kind of different programming languages and different kind of environment we have to choose. And when people want to go for the Android apps development, definitely they want to go with the Android Studio, and they need to go with the Java programming or Kotlin programming language. Okay, but here these two, iOS and Android operating system, these two are very famous, and currently running in the market. But then, what is a cross-platform app development? Cross-platform app development mantra is very simple. Mantra is very simple. Develop once, deploy to many. It means what? If you develop the code once, the source code is one source code that should be available for both platforms. Like it is available for iOS and Android OS. It is available for iOS and Android OS. See, what are the different kind of frameworks which are available for this? So one is the famous one called Flutter, and one more thing is React Native. React Native is there, and thing is Ionic, and the thing is PhoneGap, Cordova. There is a kind of Cordova, and one more thing is Sencha, Sencha Touch. See, like this, there are multiple kind of libraries which are going to be available using with Flutter. Flutter is Google's one. React Native is Facebook's ones. These two are very famous. Even Ionic is also very highly demanding in the market. Flutter from Google. This is providing by Google, and this library which is available from the Facebook. Okay, so but I'm trying to exploring two frameworks or libraries here. Mostly, I'll go with Ionic also. Okay, for this, what are the prerequisites? Prerequisites here is dot programming language. Dot programming. Sorry, we have to learn to understand Flutter kind of things. And if you want to work with a React Native, definitely you should know React programming first. If you want to know React, if you know, you need to understand JavaScript concepts and HTML, CSS also. And let's try to explore multiple videos and multiple course related things in this particular playlist. Bye for now. Subscribe to the channel.